This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole in a blender. This easy guide will help you create a creamy, flavorful dip in just a few minutes. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including 3 ripe avocados, the juice of 1 lime, and a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. You'll also need a small red onion, 1 jalapeno, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste. Let's get blending. Before blending, a little prep work makes all the difference. First, carefully halve and pit your 3 ripe avocados, then scoop all that creamy green flesh into your blender. Next, roughly chop 1 small red onion and 1 jalapeno, removing the seeds if you prefer less heat. Don't forget to mince about a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and squeeze the juice from 1 whole lime. These fresh components are key to amazing flavor. Now for the fun part, blending. Carefully add all your prepared ingredients into the blender. Start on a low setting, then gradually increase the speed as the ingredients begin to combine. Blend until you achieve your desired consistency, whether you prefer it super smooth or with a little chunkiness. Be careful not to overblend, as we want to keep some of that lovely avocado texture. This usually takes less than 1 minute. Once blended, transfer your vibrant, fresh guacamole to a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few sprigs of fresh cilantro or a thin lime wedge. This delicious dip is perfect served immediately with crispy tortilla chips, crunchy vegetable sticks, or as a topping for your favorite tacos. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface to keep it fresh for up to 2 days. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.